So, ayan guys. Nandito na naman ako. So, papunta na naman ako sa isang shop kasi bibili ako ng chicken feet. Chicken feet. And then, yan o, nasa MTR station ako. Ay, nangangati na naman ako. Kasi nga mainit ang kapaligiran. So time check here guys is 7 PM. Medyo late na akong lumabas ng bahay kasi nga nag-study pa kami ng alaga ko. I don't think so kung may chicken feet pa ba. Let's see. Ayan. Maraming tao kasi nga ano siya, rush hour. Tapos itong area na to guys is ano siya mga minibus station. Tapos titingnan ko kung may available pa ba yung lagi kong ino-order dito na chicken feet. Chicken feet! So ito papakita ko sa inyo. Ay, chicken feet?
Chicken feet? This one?
Single only.
Chicken feet?
Yeah, this one. How much is this? 20, right?
Chicken meat?
Yeah, this one.
This one chicken rice?
No, with
this one.
this
Okay.
one only.
20?
Two.
Two, okay. Together?
No, separate.
Separate, okay.
Yes, please. Just a second. So, available for pala.
Thank you.
It's how much? It's 40?
40. Cash all of us?
No. What do you call this one? Gosh.
Yes, 40.
Here.
100. Thank you.
Yes, please.
Thank you. 係 hello。
鳳爪排骨飯豉油分開，唔使餐具。
鳳爪排骨飯你想豉油九餐具30蚊啦，多謝晒你。
So, two chicken feet.
係 hello， 你好啊，食啲咩㗎？
Itong resibo. Two chicken feet. No, I need this receipt. Here.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Two chicken feet. Here.